Okay, so this is definitely kind of like a funny drawing we're going to do today. And we're going to be making Kevin. Now, if you don't know who Kevin is, he is kind of like the dumb head of King Ghidorah. So there's a lot of cool memes going out right now. And they always have the two angry heads and then kind of like the one goofy one. Always kind of reminds me of the hyenas from The Lion King. So I'm going to show you guys today how to draw the cartoon version of Kevin. So let's get started. To start off with Kevin, we're going to begin right about here on our paper, right about in the middle, and we want to start with the nose. So what I'm going to do is right in the middle, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves and comes down like this on one side, and then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And those are going to be like the nostrils of his nose. Now, we want to draw the outside. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to draw a line that kind of goes up, and then I'm going to go down like this. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Just kind of curve up, and then just kind of curve it back down. Now, Kevin has some really big eyes on him. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a really big circle. That's just going to go all the way around and come to here. You can see that the nose is kind of inside of it just a little bit. And then I want to do the same thing on this side. You want to try to make the eye the same size. So I'm just going to start right here, and then I'm just going to kind of curve around, make a nice big circle, and then just kind of bring it right back to here. Now, we want to make the pupils inside of here. So his pupils are going to be on each side. So to start off with this, I'm just going to make a little bit of a curved line. And then I'm just going to draw a circle shape right around it. And I don't want to touch the edge here. I want to leave a little bit of white. So then same thing here. I'm going to make kind of like that curve shape. And then I'm going to draw a big circle right around it. And I'm going to color this in, but I'm just going to leave a little bit of it white, like another little circle. So I'm just going to color in most of this. And then I'm just going to leave a little bit white. Kind of fix this just a little bit. Now, the next step that we want to do is we're going to start on the face. So we want to make the cheeks. So he has a cheek that's going to come and kind of curve out, and then it's going to end right by the nose. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve out, and then it's going to come about right to there. And then I want to do the same thing on this side. I'm just going to draw a line that's going to curve out and then come right to there. Now his mouth, we're going to make like two little bumps down here. So first I'm going to make one that's a little bit kind of skinnier. And then this next one is going to be a little bit bigger and wider. Now, starting out here, he's got a tongue sticking out. So I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve out, and then it's going to kind of come around and then come right up to here. And then you want to make a little line going down it. Now, right over here, we want to draw some of his spikes. So I'm just going to draw a line that goes down, and I'm going to put three little bumps right here. Then I'm going to make a little diagonal line. And then I'm going to draw a little kind of U shape like this. Make a little line that goes over. And then I'm going to draw another one that goes down and up and then connects to the tongue. Just to kind of form the bottom jaw. Then over here, I'm going to add three more little bumps, just kind of like I did on the other side. Now, right above his eyes, we're going to make two little diagonal lines. And then for his horns, I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves up and out like this. And then same thing over here, start right by the eye and just draw a line that kind of curves out. It's going to go in and then out again. Then you want to draw a line that's just going to kind of follow the same pattern, but then it's going to get a little bit wider as it gets closer towards the head. So I'm just going to kind of keep it skinny at first, and then I'm just going to get a little bit wider. Keep it a little bit closer. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that goes up and then down. Now, he also has some details on the side of his face. So starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve out, kind of like an S shape that's really stretched out. And then I'm going to keep it skinny at the end, but I'm going to get really, really wide as I come back towards the face. So then same thing over here. Start by the eye, kind of make that S shape, and then keep it skinny, and then make it really wide as it comes back. Then I'm going to make a little line that just kind of goes out and comes back. Same thing over here, out and comes back, just for like the little spikes. And then I'm just going to put a couple more little spikes right here. And then just the same thing over here, just two little ones. Now we want to give them some teeth. So I'm going to draw a small V and then a big V right there. And then I'm going to add a little V right there. Now for his neck. So starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve down. And then over here, I'm going to make kind of like a bumpy line like this. Then starting here, I'm going to add another bumpy line just to kind of show where there's some texture and detail. And then you want to do the same thing on this side. Just make a nice bumpy line. Now, starting up here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve, and I'm going to just jump over all of these little horns and spikes over here. And I'm just going to bring this all the way down here. Then there's going to be some spikes that kind of run down the back. So we're going to see a few more up here. And then as they get here, we're just going to kind of make some big kind of bumps like this. So we're just going to kind of draw these down here, and we're going to see less and less of them. So you can make them smaller and smaller as you get down there. Now, he's got some little stripes going across here. So I'm just going to start with one little stripe right there. And then I'm just going to kind of make some stripes going down, leave a little bit of space in between each one. Then I'm going to put a couple little triangle shapes on here just for some more little small spikes that he has. And then I'm going to just add a few little V's down here. And there you go. There is your drawing of King Ghidorah. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. And this is how it turned out. We have our drawing of Kevin. It's kind of got like a little bit of like a derpy look on, you know, just kind of goofy, silly. Definitely reminds me of that hyena from The Lion King. So I hope you guys enjoyed drawing this. I know our Godzilla videos are always fun. We get a lot of people that like them. Let me know if you guys want to see some different styles of this, maybe like a Godzilla version or a Rodan or Mothra version. Just let me know. But until next time, thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed.